Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another class of GK. So, today we are going to do chapter 41, which is tricky and funny. So in this chapter, we are going to solve some of the puzzles and we'll find out the answers of them. So, let's start. The first puzzle is the more you take, the more you leave. What am I? So, the answer will be footsteps. The more footsteps you take forward, the more you leave in the behind. So, the correct answer will be footsteps here. Next question is if you see a knight jumping over another knight, what are you seeing? Now, knight here is a term which is used for the soldiers which rides the horse. In older times, when kings were having the army, that time they were having knight. So, is the term which is used for the soldiers on the horse. So, if you see a knight jumping over another knight, what are you seeing? So, the answer will be a game of chess. In chess, we have the knight and that knight can go 2.5 blocks. That knight can move 2.5 blocks, and that can jump over another knight by moving 2.5 blocks in the game of chess. Next question is can you name three consecutive days without using the words Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday? So consecutive means in a row. That means one after another. So you have to say the name of 3 days which comes one after another. And you cannot use any days of the week. So the correct answer here will be yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Yesterday, a day before, today, the current day, and tomorrow. So all are coming in a sequence, one after another, and these all are days only. So next, let's move to the next question. The next question is Mr. and Mrs. Jacob have 6 daughters and each daughters have one brother. How many people are in Jacob family? So the correct answer here will be 9. So each sisters have only one brother. So one brother only will be there. So Mr. and Mrs. Jacob, 6 daughters. So 7 and plus, sorry, 8 plus 1 brother, that is 9. So total 9 people are there in Jacob's family. Next question is what belongs to you but other people uses more than you? Here the correct answer will be your name. It belongs to you, but you can do not say your name by your own. That is always said by the other peoples to call you. So name belongs to us, but the other peoples use them to call us. Next question is what is more useful when it is broken? So correct answer here will be egg. When we break the egg, after that only we can make or cook that egg. Either we can cook omelette or else we can cook boiled eggs, but that all will be done after breaking the egg only. Even when egg breaks, then only the life comes out from that. Life comes out from the egg. So next, David's father has 3 sons. Their names are Snap, Crackles, and third son's name we have to find out. So correct answer here will be David only because we are already saying David's father has 3 sons. So in that we have the name of other 2 sons also, Snap, Crackles, and David. So let's move to the next question. This won't fit inside the biggest pot ever. What is it? So the correct answer here will be a lid. A lid is the cover of any pot or any object. So a lid is the cover, and cover will always be that much bigger as much big the pot will be. So you cannot fit the cover inside the pot. So lid cannot fit inside the pot because it is made only for covering the pot. So it will always be at the top of it. Next question is, they have no flesh, nor feathers, nor scales, nor bones, yet they have fingers and thumbs of their own. So the correct answer here will be glove. So glove has five fingers, including thumbs, in which we can put our hand, and it does not have feather, it does not have scales, it does not have bones, neither it has flesh. It is made up of cloth. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, what is easy to lift but hard to throw? So what is that thing which we can carry or lift easily, but we cannot throw them? So the correct answer here will be a feather. We can lift a feather easily, but we cannot throw that feather because that is so much light that it will blow away in the wind. So feather cannot be thrown, but we can lift it very easily because it has minute weight. Let's move to the next question. So next question is, what is first in Russia and second in France? So the question is asking, in Russia, what is that thing which comes first, but that thing in France is at the second position? So the answer will be the letter R. So in Russia, the first letter is R, and in France, the second letter is R. So the correct answer here will be Russia. So in this class, till this much only. In next class, we'll come up with a new chapter. Till then, keep studying, stay healthy, stay at home. Bye everyone.